For homeowners in Miami Gardens, Florida, home improvement projects often balance beauty, comfort, and long-term return on investment. One upgrade that checks all these boxes is new window installation. Replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient models not only transforms the look of your home but also increases its market value, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance comfort and equity at the same time. Here's how new windows can make a big difference for Miami Gardens homeowners seeking to elevate both curb appeal and property value. A fresh, modern look that elevates curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your windows are among the first features people notice when approaching your home. Faded, cracked, or outdated windows can make even a well-kept property look tired. New windows, on the other hand, instantly refresh your home's exterior, adding a polished and modern look. In Miami Gardens, where architectural styles range from sleek modern homes to classic ranch designs, window replacement offers endless customization. You can choose from a wide array of frame colors, finishes, and styles, from clean-lined picture windows to traditional double-hung models, to perfectly complement your home's personality. Beyond looks, new windows create a sense of cohesion between your home's interior and exterior. Larger panes of glass and slimmer frames maximize natural light, making your home look more inviting and spacious from both inside and out. Increased property value and return on investment. New windows aren't just a cosmetic upgrade, they're a financial investment that pays off. According to real estate experts, homeowners can recoup a significant percentage of their window installation costs through increased resale value. Buyers in the Miami Gardens housing market are drawn to homes that already feature energy-efficient, low-maintenance windows. These upgrades signal that the property is well cared for, reducing future expenses for the buyer and improving the overall perception of the home's quality. Whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years, installing new windows provides tangible value. You'll enjoy the benefits of reduced utility bills and improved comfort today, while boosting your property's resale appeal for the future. Better energy efficiency for Florida's climate. Florida's tropical weather brings heat, humidity, and plenty of sunshine. Older windows often allow cool air to escape and warm air to seep in, forcing your air conditioner to work overtime. Modern, energy-efficient windows are designed to keep indoor temperatures stable. Features like low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, and tightly sealed frames help reflect heat and block UV rays, keeping your home cooler while reducing energy costs. Over time, those savings add up, making new windows one of the most cost-effective upgrades Miami Gardens homeowners can make. The added bonus? A more comfortable, energy-efficient home that appeals to environmentally conscious buyers. Improved safety, durability, and peace of mind. In South Florida, durability is key. Modern replacement windows often come with impact-resistant glass that can withstand strong winds, debris, and even attempted break-ins. This feature not only protects your family during severe weather but also enhances your home's overall security. Upgraded windows with sturdy locks and reinforced frames provide homeowners with peace of mind, another selling point for potential buyers who value safety and longevity. Low maintenance and long-lasting performance. Unlike older wood-framed windows that require frequent painting or sealing, today's materials, like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum, are built to last. They resist warping, fading, and corrosion, even in Miami Gardens' humid climate. Low-maintenance windows maintain their beauty year after year with minimal effort, which appeals to busy homeowners and adds long-term value to your property. Final thoughts for Miami Gardens homeowners. New window installation is more than just an upgrade, it's a smart investment in both comfort and resale potential. With energy-efficient materials, customizable designs, and modern safety features, new windows can transform the way your home looks, feels, and performs. Whether you're planning to sell your property or simply want to enjoy a brighter, more comfortable space, investing in professional window installation is one of the best ways to boost both curb appeal and property value. Your Miami Gardens home deserves windows that work as beautifully as they look, offering timeless style, lasting protection, and a noticeable return on investment.